Good day. Today is Wednesday, June 29th, 2024, and we are looking at NVIDIA. I'm actually gonna excuse me. I'm actually gonna change the ticker symbol, and I'm gonna look at Tesla. Today, Tesla is a very commonly traded stock. A lot of people like to trade Tesla due to the volatility, due to the fact that it's always in the news, due to the fact that there are a lot of things going on with Elon Musk, and his company and his inventions and what he's doing. So there's usually movement with Tesla. So based off of what we see here, I'm just going to look into the strategy that I usually look into, the pre-market as well as the breaking above our trend line over here on our indicator. As we can see, the pre-market is bouncing off within this range, and as soon as the market opens, it breaks the pre-market high and goes all the way up from 188 to about 197, which is about a $9 difference. One option contract is equal to $900. One share is equal to $9. So, knowing this, I don't want to get too into it because it's not necessarily about the money. It's not about the money at all. In fact, I would rather, in a period of 30 days, make $30 to $50 in comparison to making $10,000 in one day, trading something based off of just a random type of selection. And the reason why I say that is because I would rather be consistently profitable or learn the skill to be consistently profitable by trading one share and knowing how the market moves and knowing when to exit and enter, rather than just looking at something and saying, oh, get in here, and just putting in some money and getting lucky. Because if somebody is doing that, if they're just taking wild guesses and they think that the market's going to go this way, they can lose. They might get lucky a few times and they might be profitable, which is great. And yeah, I would like that. But it's not good for the long term. For the long term, you want to develop the skill set and know when to enter, when to exit, how long to hold on to a position, understanding the nature of the market, how it moves, studying the chart, maybe watching other YouTubers, using the on-demand feature, using paper trading, doing all sorts of things to understand how the market moves. And if you're able to do that, then you can slowly scale up. So instead of then making $30 for 30 days, you can make $300, and then $3,000, and then maybe even $30,000 if you scale up. And instead of trading one share, you trade 100 or 1,000 or 500 or however many you want to trade. So it's risky, but if you're willing to take the risk and if you have the time, then it's a good thing to learn. If you want to learn more, then send me a message. Go to our website, send us an email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we're looking forward to possibly helping you on your journey.